I'm going to log into my GDI back office and show you the $3,900 we've made in the last 14 days. I'll show you all the money my team is making, and I'll show you how you can get started today on a 7-day free trial. So with that being said, let's head over to my laptop and look at my GDI back office right now. I'll see you over there. Hey, Ben Martin here, aka the King of Email, and welcome to my YouTube channel Profits and Paradise. If you're not a subscriber already, then push the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell, I believe somewhere near the top of your screen, because I'm always dropping brand new videos on my channel with some really cool stuff. Anyways, in a minute, as promised, I'm going to log into my GDI, that's my Global Domains International back office, and I'm going to show you the money. Like Jerry Maguire said, I'm going to show you the money. But first, right, let me very quickly explain what GDI is. GDI stands for Global Domains International, and they're a company which provides domain names, hosting, a website builder, professional email, and basically tools that people who do business online or who have websites online need. Now, we've been with the company 9 years, and in that 9 years, we've made $30,000+ without doing anything. I will show you proof of that in a minute. And you might be thinking, that's not actually a lot of money, Ben. That's like only a few $100s a month when you break it down. Well, I want to emphasize the point that we haven't done anything with this company until recently, where we decided, that's myself and my girlfriend, Angela Long, this is my girlfriend, come over to Facebook and see that she's my girlfriend. You know, feel free to check us out or do your due diligence. We have nothing to hide and we just want to help you, right? But we decided that we would spend 20 to 30 minutes per day actually putting some time into promoting this and helping others succeed. What happened next was an explosion in our GDI team and income. So I'm going to log in right now and I'm going to show you what's happened over the past 14 days. So I'm going to sign in. This can't be faked. It just doesn't get any more real than this. You can see the name Angela Long right here. So this is my girlfriend's username and name on the account. I'm going to go to the GDI bonus section. And this is just bonus money we've made, because I'm not even going to go into the $1,000 recurring every month that we've built and how GDI pays you 5 levels deep on the customers you introduce. This is just the bonus money. You can see this week we've made 66 sales. That's $1,300 in bonus money. And out of the thousands of affiliates worldwide, again, we're top of the leaderboard. If we scroll down last week, there's $2,600 in bonus money, 131 new customers, again, top of the leaderboard. So 2,600 plus 1,300 equals $3,900, and you can see the dates of the last 2 weeks there, so you know that this is real. Now, I know that apart from seeing that we're people who know what we're on about, you're not really bothered about the money we're making, right? What you're bothered about is, are other people on your team making money? And if I join your team, are we going to make money and get the help we need? Well, yes, you are. Because you see Jesselyn, Khaled, Nick, Clint, Dylan, and Neil, and Brian, they're all on our team too. And the reason they're hitting that leaderboard, besides their own 20 to 30 minutes per day they put into this, is because we train you as our team members, we give you our traffic methods, and we even place customers in your team so you're virtually guaranteed to make money. Yes, we make sales and then we put people in your team so you're virtually guaranteed to make money. And the reason we do that is because even when we place customers under you, we still get paid as well as helping you get paid. So you can see all the proof here. You can see GDI is the real deal. What I want to do now very quickly is just pause the video for a second because I want to show you the income proof that GDI has paid us over the past 9 to 10 years, but there's some sensitive customer information that I'm not allowed to show you. So let me just pause the video for 1 second. So you can see we started with GDI back in July 2010, and although this video is titled week 3, because this is like the 3rd week where we've ever really truly promoted this and spent that 20 minutes a day, we did join this company back in July 2010, but we really did nothing with it for 9 years, yet we still brought in an okay chunk of money. So you can see we started in July 2010, first few months nothing came in, then 188, 132, you see amounts of $1,300, $969. You can see all these payments coming in like clockwork. This was over 9 years without us having to do anything. So you can see that proof right there. This has been paying out consistently for 9 years, but now we've decided to spend 20 to 30 minutes per day on this. Our team's exploding, our income's exploding, their income is exploding, and when you get started with us, as I said, we will give you the GDI training you need to succeed, and we will place customers in your downline. Why buy domain names from GoDaddy? Why send other people to GoDaddy when they don't pay you? There's no recurrings, there's no bonus money. It doesn't make any sense. If you have any questions about GDI, feel free to ask them in the comment section below, or if you're ready to get started, click on the first link in my description box and let's get you going on your 7-day free trial. Once you activate your free trial, we will send you your free training and we will give you the same system we use that's making us money, that's going to make you money on autopilot. If for whatever reason you don't receive the training within 24 hours, leave a comment on my YouTube video or come find me on Facebook and I'll get you hooked up. Looking forward to having you on our GDI team. You've seen the proof, you know it's real. Let's get you going and let's get you making money this week. I'll catch you in the next video.